Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about trades in this week. Today is Friday, 29th, April 29th, the week ended. So let's get started here. I'm going to show you some setups and the trades taken. So this is pound yen 20-minute chart, 160 pip. This is the entry here, and on the 25th. This is on the left, you can see my entry, sell order, and SL move to break even plus. So now on the same day, on the 25th, you can see here that this was the first trade here, and then 160 pip, and after retracing another one for 90 pip, same day on the 25th, right? The date is the same day, it's all 25th. So big trades, right? And then euro yen again, yen was getting strong, so everything was going down. Sell here, sell order, beautiful entry for 85 pip. Here on the 25th, Aussie yen, not a big one, but something. It should have closed here, but I didn't, and then went up, and it was. I thought maybe it's gonna go up, so I closed it for 60 pip only. Now here, euro newsy, small trade here, 60 pip, sell order here on the 25th. On the 26th, the pound yen again, after dropping and then wobbling here, the next day comes. See, every day is just rinse, repeat kind of situation. Here you can see this indicator showing the daily range of this pair, means that how much from top to bottom it moves in a given day. So the 60-day average range is 150. So 150 pip, it moves every single day. And previous day, fortunately, it moved 326. So there's a lot of volatility, right, because of the yen strength and pound weakness. So this this day, today on the 26th, the next day, it moves again. You can see here it says current day range 240. So yesterday on Monday, it moved 326 pip in one direction, and then on this one, the daily range on this current day on the 26th showing 240 pip. See this white dotted line? This is the day open line. So it opens up here, it went down, it went up. This is the high of the day, this is the low of the day, this is 240 pip. Out of that, I got from here to here, 110 pip. So this is how it is. Now on the 26th, pound franc, sell order here, nice and clean, straight line, 100 pip. This one, USD CAD, USD getting strong, sending this pair up for 110 pip on the 26th. And here, pound, Aussie, beautiful trending to the downside. All of these are beautiful entry. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and keep going. 75 pip here, sell order on the 26th. On the 26th here, again, it was coming down, EURCAD. You see why EURCAD was going down. CAD was getting strong. So this is the first one on the 26th on 26th for 60 pip. And then you have on the 27th, this is the first one I closed. Then again, we gave the entry. So I took that one here, right there, sell order. Put on 27, the next day, it went down again for 75 pip. And on the 28th, again, this is the first one. This is the second one for 75 pip. And this is the one for another 80 pip. In fact, it went down again on 29, but I didn't trade that. So, 3 in a row in EURCAD, just trending. If anything, I mean, I could have had this one and this one because they're all short entries. This is not this one, but this is the short entry. This is the short entry. This is one. This is the one. This is the one. So, when it's trending, if the system gives you so many entries every single day, you get an entry or two. And pound CAD here, look at that on the 28th. Entry here. But this entry, if you would have waited here, then, your SL will hit. So, but this one was a good trade. This is the entry, good entry, never got hit, and SL never got hit. And then, this one, all the way down, this one, all of these are entries. 150 pip, and this pound Aussie, 80 pip. This was the entry. I took this entry, but what happened? You can see here. When it moves in my direction, right, quite a bit, then I move my SL to break even. And then sometimes what happens is that it comes back and boom, take me out on break even. So the system keep you safe. Again, it start to go up, and as soon as it goes below this, I come and sit on a break even, and that's the one gave me a long trade, 80 pips. And now here on the 29th, pound newsy, look at that, the big one, 220 plus pips so far. Right from here, see, it was all bearish here, yellow is below the black, and all of a sudden it goes above the yellow. Not only yellow goes above the black, but also above the red. Strong buy order, buy trade, and right after that, 220 pips. And then pound franc again. This was the short one, and on the 29, this is the long one for 65 pips. So this is how I think this is what it is. Now, you notice that everything is planned and everything. For example, let's say you didn't see any pound USD trade this week at all, me doing it, right? Because I've been doing some other things, right? But were there entries for that? Yes. Let me show you how and why. This chart I made for pound USD weekly chart and gave it to my subscribers here on the 23rd January. Right? I have different version as well, but forget about them. You just look at this simple, harmonic pattern version. I can count the Elliott wave and support resistance, trend line channel, all everything works if you know what to do. So according to this, I said, okay, if we get to stay below this, right, must stay below 37.11, then it should be coming down here for a small butterfly, and the bigger butterfly ends up at 167%. Sorry, 161.8%, right? 162. So this is 127, small butterfly. That was my target, initial target, based on this. And then you can see what happened to this chart as of today, or yesterday, 28. I recorded this chart. It came and hit this exactly, 127 at point D after 6-7 months. But almost 1,000 pip, more than 1,000 pip, 1,100 pip actually, 1,100 pip plus. So if you have the chart like this and the analysis, and then all you have to do is just go short, 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 short. Every time you see keep coming down, go short, because this is how it is. Now, why this thing came down all the way? Either pound was getting weaker or USD was getting strong. So let me show you that US dollar index, that it was getting strong, sending Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD to the downside, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen to the upside. So let me show it to you that US dollar index chart in January. I made this one. I've been trading. My first chart to the upside was from here, exactly. I said from here we're gonna retrace, go back to 61%. So after a long time, it wobbles, right? So every step of the way I make a new chart, and this is the one I made on the last January. Sorry, this was not January. You can see here. It is January. Okay, 2002. I saw this August, November. So what the heck? This was in January 23rd. Saying that we're gonna go either 50% or then all the way to 61% for wave B, if this is wave A. So as of today or yesterday, this is what it is. Or today, as of today, I record this. See, from here I said we're gonna go. So we start wobbling here, we're there, and then from here I made the chart again that keep going to the upside, and we went up even above 61%. So US dollar index was getting strong like that, and obviously you have 7 pairs involving US dollar index and USD, and 4 of them would go down when the USD gets strong, like Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, and 3 of them, USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, will go up based on the US dollar strength. So that's how you have so many trades in hand then, right? If you only understand this index, one chart. Similarly, you saw EURCAD, I had 3 trades in a row, 26, 27, 28. And then I had Pound CAD for 150 pip. Why? The CAD is on the right-hand side on these 2 pairs, and they both went down, EURCAD and Pound CAD, right? So let me show you the CAD index chart I made this on the March 27. Even I made a new chart every week or every 2 weeks and give it to my subscribers. But this is the one I'm showing you. This you can understand clearly that this was the correction A, B, and we were going for C. And I said that ABC equal to 100%. It would be around 65.52. But first number was the target was here 61.56, then 62.81, then 63.48, and then step by step. So as of today, I recorded the chart and we bypasses the 61.56 already, and we bypasses the 62.81. We went all the way to above 63.84, sorry, 63.48, and then kind of like pull back because it's Friday. So it came down here, it's close to 62, just below 62.81. One more push, and we are going to hit my final target of 65.52. And God knows even more. Why? Because the war is going on in Ukraine and Russia, and the oil supply is disturbed. We have more demand, less supply in oil, and oil is connected to the Canadian dollar. So that's why Canada is getting the benefit out of this war, as well as New Zealand and Aussie. Even though New Zealand and Aussie, even like this week, overall, they were like kind of weak a little bit, but Friday, today, they got weaker badly, right? But that's a good sign. Why? Because they are commodity currencies, and it is just a retracement. And then after that, the next week, maybe they will start wherever, next week, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but they will make the turn and then boom, start going to the upside. And then you have Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie to the downside, Aussie Yen, USD Yen to the upside. Similarly, Pound Newsy, Euro Newsy to the downside. So all of these are, all the pairs, the movement of the pairs related to the indexes. So if you can understand the index and, do the analysis and see that which way the index is going currently and will go in the next, 2 days, 3 days, or a week, then you can catch so many trades, because each and every index, like for example, CAD, you have 6-7 pairs involving CAD. If you know the CAD indexes keep going to the upside, that means CAD is getting strong. So whichever pair has a CAD on the right hand side will drop. Simple. 4 pairs, 5 pairs, whatever. Like USD was getting strong. I showed you the chart. So you have 3 pairs, USD is on the left hand side. 4 pairs, USD is on the right hand side. So 4 will go down, 3 will go up. And all you got to do is look for the setup, you find it, and you hit it. And EURCAD, the trade, showed you that if it is trending, something is trending, then every single day, I'm not showing here the, the daily range indicator, but you see the daily range tells you that how much a pair moves every day. If something moves like to the downside, 100 pip, don't think that it's not going to move and it must retrace. If it don't retrace that day, it doesn't matter. It will stay there, and then the next day it will move another 100 pip to the downside. Sometimes it retraces, sometimes it don't. But yeah, the daily range, most of the time, most likely it will fulfill the daily range. So this is how I see this on the 26th, and then you can see that it's a little retracement, almost nothing, just to make a setup and then drop again the next day on the 27th. And then same thing happened here, small retracement, not even a retracement. You can't tell that this is the retracement. It's just a simple drop again, right? So this is a drop again, sideways drop. So this is the drop, sideways drop, sideways drop, sideways drop. So this is how the system it helps, get the precise entries. But definitely you need to know. And then this is what I do on the, when my subscribers, I do webinar twice a week, Wednesday at 4 p.m. and Sunday at 4 p.m. And I talk about the setups, I give out the charts, weekly charts, 40-minute charts, setup charts. And then even on the Telegram, I keep posting, heads up for the setups and the charts whenever I make one. trade setups, and that's how we work here, right? So this is how I trade. This is how my group trade using this system. And like I said, if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, go on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com. My old name is still on my tongue. So this is how it is. This is my website. This is the yellow subscribe button. You can go here. You can also go the one-on-one coaching. If you go here, you will find it. You'll find here, where the heck is it? Right here, you can sign up for one-on-one coaching over the Zoom 10-hour course. With the 10-hour, each hour, each session is 1 hour. So over the time of like 1 month, I finish the course usually. Every other day, 1 hour. Every other day, every 2 days, 1 hour session, where I teach everything. Like harmonic patterns like these, and Elliott wave, how they work, how to find them, how to calculate them, and obviously I teach that how to use my Magic Ivy system properly. And after you have a setup, then how to pull the trigger using my system. My system is very important because it takes out our human emotion, which most of the time interfere in our decision and make us do the wrong decision, right? So if you have a system and you follow the system, the rules, you'll be safe. All right, so this is how, this is the chart. It's a beautiful chart, and I have several of them, but I think, I don't want to show it here. The video is going to go long. But once you have something like this, you just keep, every day, like I said, rinse, repeat, keep doing the same thing. Now, you notice that I went there in this one, I'm showing you a harmonic pattern. It is not even finished yet. It is at its 4th point, C. But since I know that how these pattern finishes and what they do, what will be the next leg, and this is where the official, whoever made this pattern, whatever, right? It works, so I don't care. So, so I was anticipating that if it is going to be a a butterfly pattern, that it must go from C to D. And if it is going in that direction, it should give me my setups, short setups. And it did give me the short setup. Let me just go there and show you. So this is what's happening. Be ready. Euro USD chart is, it's open here. So I'm just going to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5. Then comes A to the upside. So this is the time. If Euro USD stays above 0525, going up. And whatever the system you use it and make entries every single day. It moves, find out what's the daily range, and trade it and hold it for the daily range. Do not close for 10, 15, 20 pips. That's not, it works, right? So for example, I forgot to save the chart. I closed the euro, on Friday, more than 100 pip. And you just saw Newsy, pound Newsy, 220 pip. So these are, if you know what you're doing, and then each pair is moved differently. So you got to understand each pair differently and the daily range, how far it moves and how much it moves. So you can hold on to the trade to the maximum profit. So this is how wave 5, maybe it is wave 5, maybe it is wave 3, followed by wave 4, ABC. So then still we have to go up for A, then B, then C. If it is going to be correct, this is wave 3. If it is wave 5, then still you have to go A, B, C to the upside again. So this is, but what I was showing is that I didn't trade Euro pound USD. But let me just show you pound USD. Okay, how many entries we got? That's what I just want to show you. Even though I didn't trade. I'm just gonna refresh the chart because I don't want to show you the wrong chart. Okay, let me see. The heck? See, the market is closed, so it won't give me. Okay, now it's all right. So now you can see. Look at that. It just start dropping. This is a beautiful by the book entry, and you can see how many pips. Beautiful by the book entry. And then you have entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here to the downside. And only now it start go up the last day, Friday, because USD is now pulling back. And pound also getting strong again, switching the sides. So this is how it is. Like I said, you just go on my website if you want to get, be a part of it and get the system, or need to learn whole from A to Z about the Forex trading. Not only Forex, I have charged, for crypto and S&P 500, DAX, Bitcoin chart, and all of that. I don't know if I have the Bitcoin chart. No, I don't have it open here right now. All right. So anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.